thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick demo using the new Anastasia Dipbrow gel. I've been seeing it all online, all over the place, and it's a very interesting kind of product because it's a mix between a gel and a pomade. So I wanted to see how it will work for my brows, because I heard that it was super pigmented and really easy to use, and it can give you brows in 2 minutes. So I wanted to try it out. I am going to use that in conjunction with their brow pencil, and I got them both in the color Granite. So with that being said, we're going to get started with this demo. But first, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, shoot me a comment. How's about you guys tell me your favorite brow product to use now and something that you recommend for me to try out maybe on my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And with that being said, let's get started with this video. Alright, so I did zoom in just so you guys can see my brows. I prefer doing my brows before I do the rest of my makeup, hence why I don't have anything else on my skin. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to comb through our brows. I am using the Morphe X Jeffree Star brush, and this is the JS7. This is the first time I'm actually using this brush, so this would be a good test to see how good it is to actually do brows. Alright, so we're going to go in with the product right here. Like I said, this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the color Granite. So from all the demos that I saw online and from Anastasia Beverly Hills, it says to pull the product out. We're going to see how black it is. Oh, it's pretty black. See? Okay. So let's coat our brush. We're going to wipe off any excess, but there's really not any excess. So first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to run it through my brow and see kind of what happens. Alright, so this is kind of what it looks like on first pass. I'm not going to really put it too much to the front. I don't want too much darkness up there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to dip again. Get a good coating. Then I'm going to take my J7 brush and I'm going to pick up some of that product because I saw that they did this as well. And I'm going to work on like my tail area. I'm someone who likes a really defined tail. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the product on my JS7 and really try to go in and define that tail. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Gonna spoolie through that. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that at all, actually. Now I'm gonna go in with my Brow Wiz, also in the color Granite. And I'm going to kind of like clean up the front of the brow. So this is what the first brow looks like before I like carved it out with concealer or anything like that using the Dipbrow gel. So we're going to now do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, now that my brows are done, I'm going to go on my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to carve out my brows, kind of clean them up, make sure all the lines are nice and sharp. You can use any concealer you want. I just prefer using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's just my favorite to carve out my brows. Even though the color is getting a little too dark for me. I mean, it's been a little too dark for me, but I still prefer it. That's a brow right there. Woo. Alright, so that is the end of the demo. I am going to do the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts on this product. So with that being said, I will be back in a moment. Alright guys, so this is my face completely done. As far as like the brow product, I actually really enjoyed it. I really like it. It is super pigmented, so I definitely would be a little careful of that. Definitely wipe off the excess on the back of your hand before you go right in, especially if you're someone who has really sparse brows. You don't want to go in with too much product right away because you could get like a really harsh brow. And also I recommend using a brow brush if you want to get more of a precise application. But if you're someone like me who naturally has thick brows and you just need something sometimes just to fill in a couple of sparse areas, this will actually be really great because all you have to do is comb through and kind of keep it moving. I, however, did take a brow brush and really kind of define like my tail and really got like a crisp look. But no, I definitely think that this is a great product. And I actually really like it. I'm actually really excited to kind of play around with it a little bit more. Maybe on like a day when I'm not wearing makeup, I'm going to try it and just like kind of combing through my brows just to kind of fill in any sparse areas, kind of have like a natural brow. And I'll update you guys on how this brow kind of wears maybe throughout the day. Or if I have any issues with it, I'll definitely let you guys know. But so far so good. I actually really like this product and I definitely would recommend it. So with that being said, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, bye.